Hi everybody, I'm Akanksha, and as a V team, we are here to talk about the comparative analysis of Google and Meta. And here I want to introduce my team by one.
Hi, I'm Venkatesh.
Hi, I'm Shravan Oruganti.
Hi, I am Zishan Vedi Sayed.
Yeah, so here is our team to break this for Google and versus Meta. Here for the second slide, we introduce about the Google and Meta here. So coming to Google and Meta, these are the two most prominent technology companies in the world, as we know, and each with its own unique identity and influence on digital landscapes. This is an comprehension DevOps in variational effects of their organization culture, structures and values and this Google is founded in 1998, initially as a research engine, as we involved in a technology collaborating. So, with this core businesses dragging from the research and advertising to cloud computing and hardware. So, in this picture, we can see the how is Google formed from the past and from the present, as well as for the meta from the here. So, the metaverses is a collective virtual shared space. This analysis will explore how these two technique gains differ in the workspace formality, staff organization, and power differentiations. Important values and teamwork and collaboration is most important, and conclude with an overview of their position in technical industry. So for the next slide, I'll give it to one of my another friend.
Here, the slide is about workplace formality. The workplace formality at Google is characterized by a balance between innovation and structure. The company embraces a culture of informality and encourages employees to dress comfortably and express their individuality. This approach aligns with Google's ethos of fostering creativity and openness. The company's workspace often reflect this informal atmosphere with modern offices designed to promote collaboration and innovation. Google's organizational structure is known for its flat hierarchy, allowing employees to interact with top executives and encouraging open communication channels. Decision making is one often decentralized with cross-functional teams working collaboratively on projects. This approach empowers employees to take ownership of their work and contribute to the company's innovative initiatives. In contrast, Meta maintains a relatively formal workplace environment. While the dress code is not overly strict, there is an expectation of professional attire, particularly in customer facing roles. This formality is consistent with the company's emphasis on maintaining a polished and reliable online presence for its users. Meta's organization structure reflects its growth and diversification. The company has multiple divisions like including Meta Platforms, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Oculus, each with its own management structure. While this structure allows for specialization, it may also create more significant hierarchical distinctions among employees depending on their division and role. Now my friend will introduce on the slide. Okay.
Yeah, I'm Venkatesh. In this slide, I'm going to explain the staff organization. Staff organization at Google and Meta reflects their distinctive approaches to structure their workforce. Google has embraced a relatively flat organizational structure, often referred to a holacracy, that minimizes the hierarchical layers. The structure promotes a culture of empowerment and decentralization where the employees are encouraged to take ownership of their work and make decisions collaboratively. Google's approach to staff organization is driven by the belief that innovation can emerge from any part of the organization. Team often operates autonomously and cross-functional collaboration is a common practice. This organizational approach has been pivotal in Google's ability to foster creativity, adapt to rapid changes, and stay at the forefront of technical advertisements. Here, this slide explains about the encrusted Meta maintains a more traditional hierarchical structure, typical of many large corporations. The company's diversification of various divisions, including Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Oculus, and more, has resulted in a complex organizational hierarchy. Within these divisions, there are clear lines of authority and decision-making responsibility. The hierarchical structure may lead to status differentials among employees based on their positions and roles within the organization. While the structure allows for specialization and efficient management of diverse project offerings, it may also result in longer decision-making process and a more structured approach to innovation. Now, I'm handovering this to one of my team member, Jishan.
Hi, this is my time, myself Sayed Zishan. Now I have a slide for status PowerPoint differentiation. Status and PowerPoint differentiation within organization can significantly influence workplace dynamics. At Google, the culture places a strong emphasis on minimizing structure differentially and promoting a sense of equality. Google Career 2021. This ethos aligns with Google values of openness and collaboration. The company believes that the talent and innovation ideas can emerge from anywhere within the organization. Regardless of an individual position, employees are encouraged to challenge traditional hierarchies and express their opinion freely. The decentralization decision-making process at Google further contribute to minimizing status differentially. With a flatter organization structure, employees have direct access to leadership, facilitating opening communication and idea sharing. This culture of empowerment have led to Google reputation as a place where employees feel valued regardless of their roles. And I'm going for the seventh Meta. On the other hand, Meta more traditional hurricane structure may result in more significant status and power differential amongst employees. Different divisions and the departments within Meta may have varying levels of authorities and decision-making power. Meta 2021. Executive and management in leadership position may have considerable influence over the direction of their respective divisions, while Meta acknowledged the importance of diversity and inclusion in its workforce. Meta 2021. The hierarchical structure may present challenge in the achieving fully inclusive work environment. Now I have to pass to one of my friends.
Now, the slide is about the important values. The value that guide an organization play a fundamental role in shaping its culture and actions. Google's values are characterized by commitment to innovation, openness, and empowerment. Innovation is deeply ingrained in Google's culture, driving the company's efforts to push boundaries and create groundbreaking products and services. The company's commitment to openness extends to its work environment, where employees are encouraged to share ideas and provide candid feedback. Empowerment is a core value reflected in Google's decentralized decision-making process and the belief in giving employees the autonomy to make meaningful contributions. Now, moving to next slide, the Meta, on other hand, emphasizes values such as connection, creativity, and impact. The company's vision is centered around connecting people globally and fostering community through its social platforms. Creativity is integral to Meta's mission of enabling users to express themselves digitally. Impact reflects Meta's commitment to using technology for the betterment of society, including innovatives related to virtual reality and the metaverse. While Google and Meta share a commitment to innovation, they differ in their core values and how these values manifest in their respective cultures. Google places a strong emphasis on empowerment and open collaboration, while Meta's values prioritize connection and creativity expansion.
Thank you all for the past slides information, my friends. So I'm here again for the explanation for team and collaboration in the organization Google and Meta. So coming to the team and collaboration are essential for the organization to achieve their goals, as we know. And at the Google, collaboration is a fundamental part of the company's culture and the careers in 2021. The flat organizational structure and open communication challenges and faculty collaboration across the departments and the teams. So let's coming to the Meta, as well as the Meta is also on a value collaboration but may face the challenges related to its complex organization structure in Meta 2021. So the various divisions within Meta, we have their own specific goals and priorities which can someone lead to solid apertures in the innovation. So, however, the Meta recognizes the importance of collaboration in achieving its vision of metaverses. As we see in the picture, the Google and Meta, as we see the differences in the both. So the Metaverses as the company is actively working in a foster greater surgery among its teams and the product. So let's go with another slide. It's a physical environment. So the physical environment we see in the both pictures as well as in the Google and the Meta. So the physical environment in the which companies work can significantly impact will their well-being, creative and productivity. Google is known for the modern and innovative office space, and these work environments are designed to inspire creative and collaboration. So coming to Meta physical environment, where across its allocation and division. For example, it's a corporate office and may exhibits a more traditional and professional atmosphere. So reflecting that need to administrative and managerial functions. So Meta in 2021, research and development faculties may prioritize activity and creativity and collaborative spaces to support innovation. So in the conclusion, we see in the slide about the Google and Meta is two technical gains exhibits a distinct organization as we see in the past slides. So these differences in cultural and approach reflects the unique identities and the priorities of each company. So Google continues to be a leader in technology and innovation, while Meta with its vision of metaverses in pushing of boundaries of digital connectivity and creativity. So here, the both companies plays influential roles in shaping and the digital landscape and driving technology's advancements. So in each drawing of its distance, organizations and culture and its value. So in the here are the references for the Google and Meta as we collected it from here. So as we can see in the slide. So thank you all for your support and the things you made. Thank you.
Thank you.